Industrial sites have quite complex gas distribution, making maintenance work challenging. A small gas leak can cause a major tragedy without precautions. Point-to-point gas leak inspections are time-consuming, and danger can be invisible. According to the survey, 30% of gas leaks can't be detected by alarms due to air convection. Based on advanced acoustic technology, the CRYSOUND acoustic imager provides a new way to detect gas leaks. How does acoustic imaging technology identify gas leakage? The microphone array scans sound waves and determines gas leakage through phase difference. The sound image on the screen shows the location of leaks with color. The number of mics affects accuracy and sensitivity. Inspection from point to area improves inspection efficiency by over 5 times. High-sensitivity microphones detect leaks fast and accurately in complex factories. Directional sound pickup and noise filtering defend against noise and eliminate interference from factories. Any pressurized gas leak can be easily detected without gas type restrictions. CRYSOUND acoustic imager can do much more than mentioned. Remote detection solves the problem of inspecting complex distributed pipelines, such as overhead pipelines. Leakage assessment analyzes the severity of leaks, providing an objective understanding of inspection. Comprehensive recording captures fault point information through photos, video, and audio recording. Generate reports with one click, and digital security management is achieved. Acoustic imaging detection improves safety and efficiency in gas leak detection, assisting in the intelligent transformation of security inspections. Implement predictive maintenance to keep safety inspections always step ahead.